In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Ninjatrader data. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull historical prices out of Ninjatrader 8 and save them to your computer for analysis, reporting, or archiving. First, open Ninjatrader 8. When the platform loads, make sure you're looking at the control center. This is the main window that manages your workspaces, connections, and tools. We'll start there because that's where the export feature lives. From the Control Center menu at the top, go to Tools, then choose Export, and select Historical Data. This opens the Export dialog, which is where you'll tell Ninjatrader exactly what you want to save. Begin by choosing the instrument you want data for. An instrument is simply the symbol or market you're exporting, like a futures contract, a stock, a currency pair, or a crypto symbol. Use the instrument selector to find the exact market you need and confirm it's the right one before moving on. Next, set your start and end dates and choose the interval. The interval controls the timescale of your data. Tick gives you every individual trade or quote event and is the most granular. Minute provides time-based bars like 1 minute or 5 minute, which are great for intraday studies. Daily aggregates each full session and is ideal for longer-term analysis. Keep in mind that finer intervals, like tick, produce much larger files and can take longer to export, so match the interval to your purpose to keep things efficient. After that, choose the data type. You'll typically see options like last, bid, and ask. Last represents executed trade prices and is the most common choice for many forms of backtesting and chart replication. Bid and ask capture the best available quotes at each moment, which is helpful if you're studying spreads, slippage, or order book behavior. Pick the one that aligns with how you plan to use the data. When everything looks good, click Export and choose a folder to save the file. Select a location you'll remember, such as a dedicated market data folder. Ninjatrader will create a text-based file formatted for easy use in spreadsheets or external tools so you can work with it later without extra conversion. That's the full process. Open Ninjatrader 8, navigate to Tools, Export, Historical Data, choose your instrument, set the dates and interval, pick the data type, then click Export and save it where you want. Follow these steps, and you'll have clean, ready-to-use historical data from Ninjatrader anytime you need it.